Hey guys, it's Lyle.
And Katrina.
We're back at good old Flack Lake and we have another surprise for you. We got 2 shish kebabs, some sausages, delicious dessert, and some delicious Peameal bacon.
And it's windy as heck.
It's super windy out here today, unfortunately. Very windy, but it's a really nice day otherwise. Don't have a lot of time, but we're gonna get started now.
Yay!
Okay, so I don't recommend having fires when it's extremely windy out, but we got one going now, so we're gonna cook on it and then we're gonna put her out. And we're just gonna be a little extra cautious here. We have some cups full of waters in case we need to dump some fire out, and yeah.
And a nice big lake too, so just in case. So me and Lyle actually went to the deli and we picked up 2 kebabs. We picked up 4 pieces of Peameal bacon. These guys are gonna see it out of the package a little bit later because we don't want to open it up right now. But and then 2 sausages. I forget what these ones are called, but they're really good. We got a cast iron, and then for dessert we have milk chocolate with honey salted almonds. I'm pretty sure you guys can read, so if I mess that up. And then we got, what are these called? We got
Charcoal.
those. Olive oil for the cast iron.
Okay, so here at Venture Creek, we've been trying to do a whole segment on cooking. I have steak. We came out here and cooked some pork schnitzel, and now we have the shish kebabs. Now, I'm looking for, if there's anything that you want us to cook over the open fire, leave it down in the comments so that we can actually go out and cook it. One of the things, just in case if anyone's gonna say it, the next one I wanna go do is we're gonna do a deep dish pizza, but it's really whenever we can do it, unfortunately. But anyways, leave a comment below. Also, if you're liking it, just hit a like so far. And you can bring it back to this video here because we're about to get started with the food. Yep.
Woo! Here we go. Yummy! Delicioso! Hopefully not.
Now we wait for another flip. Oh yeah.
There we go. Yep. There you go.
It's just warming up that cast iron.
Sorry it's windy, but we got bacon. Woo! Peameal bacon. Ready?
Yep. Oh, it smells delicious. That one is getting really good. How about those guys? Almost done. Next up, we're taking it off.
That was a good one, I think.
All of the food here is about to finish up, but I'm going to take you over to the lake really quickly because I got a beautiful sunset coming up. I'm sorry, it's windy. We decided we're staying for the sunset tonight, so we're gonna make another fire going here. And the food is all done.
Yummy. Al dente.
Oh man, it smells good.
Al dente.
And
Yum,
what do
yum.
you think of that?
I think that I'm going to eat this and be very happy, but very sad. This is really fatty.
All right. We didn't even actually use any of the Royal Oak charcoal.
Because he has a woman with him and she knows how to cook very, very nicely. Yes, very nice.
Yep.
Yep.
So the Royal Oak I've actually used in all of the cooking videos so far. So just a reminder guys, I got the steak one. I have now this meat-filled platter. And I have going out with the pork shish kebabs. Let me know down below if there's anything you want me to cook. We're gonna eat this now. Then I'm gonna get ready on this beautiful sunset here. And that's probably gonna be a day.
And give the video a thumbs up because we're freezing and it's windy.
It's pretty chilly out here. Okay guys, so as usual, if you like what you see, leave a like and subscribe. Also, don't forget to hit that bell icon. That's the thing that lets you know every time I release a video. I'm going to be thinking about a contest about giving something away once I hit a certain amount of subscribers. I'm only at 71 right now, so I'm thinking maybe 250 or something will be the mark when I hit that. So
help Lyle achieve his goal.
So all you have to do to get into the contest here is just subscribe. I'm going to pick one subscriber and send them a gift. So I'll just set it up for the beautiful sunset here, and that's the day guys. Have a good one.